2022 and this is our quick product showcase on our Lockable cleaning station. So we launched a new model because we had lots of feedback from customers wanted a version they can lock. It was actually a gymnasium chain which ordered around 10 of these and they wanted a lockable version so people would stop stealing their blue paper roll. We didn't think it was a thing, however we modified the design and now we have a lockable version. So to keep the blue roll safe we've installed an integral lock, very nice and neat, and it comes with 2 keys. So we simply unlock and it allows you to move the bar with the blue roll on. Obviously it'd be empty so it'd be a bit easier, but it simply comes out like that. And when you want to install, you put the tube through the middle, which is supplied, pull it into place on there, and then drop that in place, and then you can turn the key, and then you go. It's safe and secure. No one's going to be stealing the blue paper roll. So once your customer or employee has used this, screw the paper up. Obviously they've dried the hands or cleaned whatever they need to do, and drop it through the hole. And inside there is a plastic bin. It's super high quality, and you're going to love this product. So at the back you do have a shelf here and you also do have a top shelf which you could use, and then the bin simply comes out like that. It's a great way of keeping your organisation clean and tidy and respected. So thanks for watching this showcase. If you have any questions or you want a custom colour, let us know.